All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave and this is Blindman Outdoors. We've got some powder coated parts back for campers, and that is a bitchin' because that means we can start building again. So make sure you hit the like and subscribe button if you like outdoorsy, epic, cool content. And I mean, if not, hit it anyway because, well, because. Welcome to Blindman Outdoors. I'm Dave, and I've been exploring my whole life, from my hometown in the Blindman River Valley to the jungles of South America. 4 years ago, I left an old life behind to chase a passion full-time. Now, I build Canada's Yucca Pac camper and the Alberta Outdoor Adventure Expo, all while continuing to explore and experience the great outdoors. You see, I believe we're called to live free and be wild, and if you do too, then this is the place for you. It's been about 5 or 6 years since I hit record on my very first YouTube video that I ever posted. I look back often at what I've accomplished, and sometimes it's hard to see the forest through the trees. I have so many friends and family around me that are so encouraging, and it's very difficult, I find sometimes, to really see how far you've come when you're just in it and you're grinding it out. And I have to say that all things being equal, this has been the most challenging, messy, and rewarding thing I've ever done in my life. And I'm so grateful to have been able to experience what I'm experiencing. And with the changes that we've made to our business model, for the first time in a long time, I'm feeling overly optimistic about the future and very grateful for you all to be here. So thank you. I know we have been doing a lot of shop videos, and this channel is called Blindman Outdoors, and we've been spending a suspicious amount of time indoors. However, what we do here is we kind of bring you guys in on the journey that we've been on in the last few years, and that is building a brand, an outdoor brand from scratch. It's every little bit of an adventure. It's every bit of an adventure as anything else. It has been the most challenging thing I've ever done in my life and the most rewarding thing I've ever done in my life. I'm telling a story. Anyway, we're going through some emails. Now, since changing manufacturers to our Saskatchewan facility, the amount of supply and service that we have available to us as far as our designs go is incredible. And we are able to exactly see what we want to do to improve the design of our campers, and that's exactly what we're doing here today. All right, guys, we're trucking along, making some good progress, but I did just get a call from Tyler over at Carriage Upholstery. For those of you that don't know, Tyler is my business partner here at Blindman Overland, and he does all of our soft goods, like our canvases and our mattresses, and he says he's got something cool that he says is going to work for our campers that we could get on our store for the new year that people have been asking for and that I've been asking for, and I'm excited to go see it. So we're going to jump in the van, go see what Tyler's got going on at Carriage Upholstery. And hopefully they'll have some cool iron in there. They usually have some really cool vehicles. They do custom vehicle interiors, boat interiors, and they do excellent work. So we're going to buzz over there right now, grab what we can get for the Yucca Pac, and see what he's up to. And then we'll probably motorboat back here and get going on the lid. and that'll probably do it for the video. I think at least for the video. And then we'll see what the weekend has to offer. I hear something in the van.
I have no idea what that is.
All right, Jamie, what do we got going on here?
Well, these amazing little pouches can be filling up either your 6-pack of soda pop. It can fit all your bathroom supplies. You can take it out, you can throw them in, they can hook them onto your moly panel just like so. Even has a little pouch for those easy access.
These look like they're also the perfect size for a Yucca Pac cabinet. Do I see
These are
that?
specifically designed for the Yucca Pac. In fact, you can stick 2 in a pouch easily that fit in your storage containers. Take one out, slide it in, take them both out, slide them in.
Fantastic.
Convenient and awesome.
Love it. Well, love it, love it. Oh, that's handy too.
Made with the same material that a dry bag would be, your heavy duty.
Yeah, you could throw those outside if you forgot one outside. It's not that big of a deal.
They're not gonna harm it.
That's great. Sweet. Hopefully we can have those up on the store real quick. Looking great. Looking great.
Velcro's always closed. That way you're not gumming it all up with bark and dirt and all
Sure, yeah, no, that makes sense.
Just protects it a little bit.
Yeah. Well, and like I said, just having that extra hand when you're coming out of the bush with all that firewood would be really handy. So outside of that, it looks great.
Okay, well that was my plan.
Is this meant to be externally mounted to a truck, or is this just a replication of the bag?
Pretty much, so the one you have,
Yeah.
we figured out there's no way I can strap to the back of the truck. And the reason being you're going to damage your heat shield. You're gonna
My what, sorry?
Your shield, you're going to bend the crap out of it. Because the spare tire, you're going to have points like this. You're going to wind up bending it. And same with your tailgate. There's no such thing as a straight tailgate. They've all got curved to it.
Yeah, it's not so much the curve that because they don't sit super tight on the
other thing,
tailgate.
remember we talked about incorporating it so that it's like attached to your bag or something on the back of it?
Yeah.
Figuring that out too. Because the dimension is so extraordinarily big over that bag,
Okay.
you're never going to be able to secure that bag tight without damaging, because you're going to have to cinch it, otherwise that bag's loose and running around. Or you always have to take your bag off, take your heat shield off to put your bag back on, which I can't see you wanting to do that either.
Heat shield. Oh, the fire reflector.
Yeah.
Okay. Right.
So it's better to make 2 different entities, but incorporate firewood and heat, like your...
Well, I mean, worst case scenario too, this could just roll up and stow in a tailgate bag too, right?
Well, you could, but I mean, as I said, if I make a pocket with the reflector on it, that it's all one unit to sell, it's going to be a higher resale rather than just the firewood, just the heat reflector.
All right, guys, we are on our way back to the shop now. That was Tyler's other operation, Carriage Upholstery. Carriage makes all of our canvas tops, all of our mattresses, and all of our soft goods. And you saw a couple, very loud in here. You saw a couple of our new soft goods that will be hitting our stores in 2025. Just some pouches, some accessories that you can store stuff in. Those are gonna hit our store in 2025. And so keep your eye out for those, but we're gonna be playing around with them for a little bit. We're gonna test them, put them in our campers, and see how they do for storage. So let's get back to the shop floor, see what the rest of the day has for us. We're back at it. We're back in the shop. We got to jump back on the camper. So we have the final Yucca Pac camper here. We've already got our bottom Velcro strip attached for the attaching of our canvas. Now this does get sealed as well, and then it also gets anchored as well. So it's not the Velcro itself isn't the only thing holding the canvas down. And it also gets sealed all the way in the bottom. We've got our lighting hooked up. We got a few other accessories to get onto this bad boy before we're where we really want to be. Now, this weekend is also the big white winter rally. Now, we are expecting a Yucca Pac camper to come in here from our new manufacturing facility in Saskatchewan. It is not here yet, which is a major bummer because we have been waiting for a while to get it so we can put the new canvas on it and show you guys what the first of the new 3rd gen campers is going to look like. But we're just not there yet. It should be here before the end of the day, if not tomorrow. But that means that we're not actually going to be able to make it out to the big white rally to cover that one. So Lyndon is going to head out there with some of our camera gear. He's going to get the content for you guys, and we're going to edit it and put it on a video for you guys. Because rally is cool, and the boys here at the Western Canadian Rally Championship got a real kick out of the last video. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, I really do encourage you guys to go check it out. But there we go. So we got to get this F-150 camper ready to go, and we got a lot left to do. All right, guys. It's dark outside. It's past 8 p.m. and I'm supposed to stop work sooner. So it's a learning curve. It's a learning adjustment. We'll get there. E-panel is just about finished up. We also managed to get a bunch more accessories installed in this guy today. This guy's just about finished. Busy day. Busy day. But now, I think we're going to crawl ourselves into our van and go find a place to sleep for the night. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're home for the evening. Not far, but not next door either. So we're just going to get ready for an evening. It's close to 10 o'clock now, so I'm going to put on something more comfortable. Yeah, slip into my unmentionables. Yeah. Anyway, that's what we're going to do, ladies and gents. So, let's do it.